To get started, you got to pull this tilt lever out. Just grab a hold of it and it'll pull right out for you. Pretty easy. Now you got to take this off. Sometimes there's screws here and here. This one does not. So you can just kind of reach up in there and it'll start to come apart. Once you get it out, you can do the same thing with the top one here. Just watch your hazard and we don't break it as well. To get this whole bezel off here, all it is I'll buy a bunch of clips. So you rip your hand behind it and start pulling real easy all the way around. It'll just come off. Just like that. The whole thing will just come out and just slide it out. Now we have to remove this whole piece. And there's actually just one bolt here. One bolt right here. There's actually going to be one up underneath the parking brake lever. That bolt has to come out. The whole thing will come out. There's a couple of clips, one up here, and one up back in here. Also, they'll just pull out. So now we're going to have to take this pan, this cover loose, and there's 4 bolts on each side. Because we will eventually have to have access, I don't know if you can see it, to this piece right here to take these off towards the end. So that'll be our next step. Now once you get it all off, you can really see my problem. That spring right in there is what's broke, so I've got to replace everything. But hopefully you can just tighten this little bolt and that should fix your problem. So, but first we got to take this out and I'll show you how to do that next. So what I did, I disconnected the battery for safety reasons. You have to turn the ignition on. I dropped it down. Take an ice pick or something sharp. You stick down there and you can feel a little what you're going to release. When you do that, you have to turn your ignition to the run position like you're starting it while pushing through that. And just kind of wiggle it out and it should just come straight out. So once you get your ignition assembly out, in order to get this cable right here to come loose, you actually have to stick a screwdriver down in this hole and turn it back to the off position. You'll see I can't really get the camera back in there good enough. But once you turn that back into the off position, you can release this clip in here. That whole thing will just slide completely out, just like that. After that, it's just a matter of bolt here, one right here, and all that will come out. I'll start loosening those and I'll show you how to take these 2 pins off right here on each side. Once you get all your bolts out, that green right there can just pop loose. It'll clip. This whole thing here just pops loose also. You can take it all out. Okay, once you get it back, you slide that back all the way up in. You have to stick your screwdriver back up in there again and turn that back into the run position like it was before, so you can insert your key again. It goes this way, and this is what we was pushing before. See that little hole up there. So it should just go all the way in just like that.
Recording.
Okay, now once you get that all put back together, you can put these back on. Just lift them up. Sometimes they'll snap on. Otherwise, you get some pliers. And just squeeze them together. Just like that, till nice and snug. That's it.